Hello students, today we are going to solve remaining problems in exercise 8.4. So already we completed 5 problems. Now sixth problem number 6. The problem is, let w of x comma y comma z, w of x comma y comma z is equal to 1 by root of x square plus y square plus z square, where x comma y comma z is not equal to 0. X comma y comma z is not equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. Show that dou square w by dou x square plus dou square w by dou y square plus dou square w by dou z square is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to solve by adding these three. We have to show it is equal to 0. Okay, so first of all I am going to find partial derivative of w with respect to x. Solution: dou w by dou x. So here x is variable and treat y z as a constant. So it is in denominator. First to convert into numerator, it is x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. By differentiating the power, minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. This is the only power derivative, and base derivative is 2x. Base derivative is 2x. So here 2 cancel. So by simplifying, x by x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of 3 by 2. This is dou w by dou x. Now second derivative with respect to x. Partial derivative with respect to x. Dou square w by dou x square. So here u by v form. So minus take outside, u by v. First we write v square, which is denominator whole square, x square plus y square plus z square whole square becomes cube. Square 2 cancel. First u derivative 1 and leave the denominator in x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3 by 2 minus, leave the numerator x, denominator derivative. So it will be 3 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2, and x square derivative is 2x. So what we got? Dou square w by dou x square, dou square w by dou x square is x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Here minus 3x square minus 3x square, x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 1 by 2. So in the similar way, by denominator is x square plus y square plus z square whole cube. Okay, now in the similar way we can find dou square w by dou y square. Dou square y by dou square w by dou y square. Dou y square is similarly is x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3 by 2. Here you will get 3y square. In place of x square you will get 3y square. 3y square x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 1 by 2 by x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3. Dou square w by dou z square similarly. Again x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3 by 2 minus 3z square, x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 1 by 2 by x square plus y square plus z square whole cube. So by adding all this, we have to show it is equal to 0. So I am adding all this, dou square w by dou x square plus dou square w by dou y square plus dou square w by dou z square is equal to, by adding all this, the denominator is x square plus y square plus z square whole cube is the denominator and numerator. So here 1, 2, 3 thrice say similar terms, so I am adding these 3, so you will get 3 of x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3 by 2, and by adding these 3, minus 3 minus 3 minus 9, here you will get minus 3x square, so this is common term, so I am taking minus 3 x square plus y square plus z square common from that 3 terms whole to power of 1 by 2, by taking minus 3 x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 1 by 2 here and here and here, so you will get automatically x square plus y square plus z square here, right? Now by simplifying this, here in numerator you will get x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3 by 2 minus here power 1 plus 1 by 2, so 3 into you will get x square plus y square plus z square whole to power of 3 by 2 by x square plus y square plus z square whole cube. Positive negative cancel, that is equal to 0. Okay, so this is problem number 6. Now problem number 7. This exercise now problem number 7, seventh problem. So if v of x comma y is equal to e power x x cos y minus y sin y. So we have to prove that dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square is equal to 0. So solution here, given v equal to e power x cos y minus y sin y. So I am going to differentiate partially with respect to x first of all. So here x variable, here also we have x variable. So I applied UV method. Okay. E power x, first of all let me simplify this, then after I will partially differentiate it. E power x cos y minus e power x y sin y. Now I will partially differentiate this with respect to x. Here UV method, so cos y is constant, so I am applying UV method, e power x derivative e power x, leave x, next leave e power x derivative 1 into cos y. So I applied UV method here, cos y is constant, and here e power x only variable, so e power x derivative e power x remaining term as this y sin y. Now by simplifying this, or again differentiate it, dou square v by dou x square, second partial derivative with respect to x. See here UV method, again e power x plus e power x. In place of this, by applying UV method you will get this. Again e power x derivative e power x, cos y is constant, minus e power x derivative again e power x y sin y. So what we got? You got x e power x plus 2 e power x cos y minus e power x y sin y. Okay. Now partially differentiate with respect to y. Partially differentiate with respect to y. So this is dou square v by dou x square. Now by subtracting this, what we got? E power x cos y minus e power x y sin y. Now I am partially differentiating with respect to y. Dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y is e power x constant, cos y derivative minus sin y. So x e power x cos sin y minus, here e power x constant, y sin y are variables. So uv method, y derivative 1 sin y plus leave y sin y derivative cos y. Right. Now dou square v by dou y square. Dou square v by dou y square. Here x sin e power x is constant, sin y derivative cos y minus e power x sin y derivative cos y. uv method, y derivative 1 leave cos y, leave y cos y derivative minus sin y. So minus y sin y. So observe these two. After multiplication, x e power x cos y minus x e power x cos y get cancelled. 2 e power x cos y. So 2 e power x cos y and 2 e power x cos y get cancelled. E power x minus into minus e power x sin y, e power x sin y cancelled. So here by simplifying, you will get x e power x cos y. By adding these two, 2 cos y. 2 cos y into 2 minus 2 e power x cos y. Minus into minus, minus plus e power x y sin y. Now I am going to add these two. Add dou square v by dou x square, which is x e power x into cos y plus 2 e power x cos y, 2 e power x cos y minus e power x y sin y, plus here we are adding dou square v by dou y square also. So here dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square. We are adding both. So remaining dou square v by dou y square terms are minus x e power x cos y, first term. Second term minus 2 e power x cos y. And last term is e power x plus e power x y sin y. So positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative cancel. That is equal to 0. Okay. Now problem number 8. Eighth problem. Problem number 8. Eighth problem. If w of x comma y, w of x comma y is equal to xy plus sin of xy, sin of xy, then prove that dou square w dou x dou y, dou square w dou x dou y is equal to dou square w dou x dou y. So I am taking LHS and I will prove RHS, which is equal to RHS, right? First of all, I am taking LHS. LHS is what? Dou square w by dou x with respect to x and then with respect to y, right? So dou square w by dou y dou x is LHS. So we can write dou by dou y of dou w by dou x. So dou by dou y of dou w by dou x. So x is variable, y constant. So here you will get y and sin derivative cos xy. Again xy derivative is y. So y cos of xy. Again with respect to y derivative. Y derivative 1 plus here y, uv method. So first y derivative 1 leave cos xy. Next to leave y cos xy derivative minus sin xy. Sin xy into x. So x sin xy. is dou square w by dou x square. Now let us find out dou square w by dou y first. So here I am calculating dou square w by dou x dou y, which is RHS. RHS equal to RHS equal to dou square w by dou x dou y. So we can write this as dou by dou x of dou w by dou y. First with respect to y, then after with respect to x. With respect to y, y is variable, x is constant, so you will get x. And the sine derivative cos xy, xy derivative is x. Next, with respect to x1, here uv method, x derivative 1, leave cos xy, leave x, cos xy derivative minus xy sin xy. Now observe LHS RHS 1 1 plus cos xy minus xy sin y sin xy here. So both are equal. So we can conclude that therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now let us do problem number 9. Ninth problem. Problem number 9. If v of x comma y comma z, v of x comma y comma z is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xy cube, show that dou square v by dou y dou z, dou y dou z is equal to dou square v by dou z dou y. Right? Solution. First of all, I am taking LHS. What is LHS here? Dou square v by dou y dou z. So dou by, we can write this as dou by dou y of dou by dou z, dou v by dou z. First of all with respect to z, then after with respect to y. Dou v by dou z, x cube 0, y cube 0, y because they are constant, z cube is 3z square, plus here 3xy is constant, z derivative y. You will get 3z square plus 3xy. Now same function with respect to y. So if there is no y, 0. Here we have y, so 3x. So we got 3x here. LHS is 3x. Similarly RHS, I am going to find RHS. RHS is dou square v by first y with respect to, next with respect to z. So we can write this as dou by dou z of dou v by dou y. Dou by dou z of dou v by dou y. With respect to y, what we will get? We will get 3y square. Why? Because x cube constant, z cube constant, they will be 0, and y here variable, so you will get 3xz. Now with respect to z, this is 0 and this one is 3x. So it is equal to 3x. So from this we can conclude that therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So in the similar way you can solve the last problem also. Okay.